We have a great deal available. Buy a seat from TRT before November 30th and get a free seat cover. Order 10 or more seat covers and get free setup on the embroidery of your logo. Embroidery costs are additional. This is the new generation GSX by KOB, one of the most popular seats for professional drivers. Suits most makes and models including Kenworth, Mack, Volvo, Isuzu and Hino. The new generation GSX truck seat is designed to provide maximum comfort. With a 150 kg rating, it has air suspension and full orthopedic support and optional armrests. With a full range of truck seats available in stock, TRT has designed a range of adapter plates to easily fit your new seat to most truck, bus makes and models. With extensive repair and refurbishment service, we have a drive-in, drive-out installation service in Auckland and Hamilton, and a mobile service where our seat technicians can come to you. To find out more, visit the parts section, trt.co.nz, or give our experts a call today.